In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make scrolling text animation in Canva using Match and Move. We'll turn a static headline into a smooth, professional scroll in just a few clicks. Perfect for intros, lower thirds, or attention-grabbing banners. Start by opening a new project and choosing the video option so your canvas and timeline are set up for motion. Add your text to the design using your preferred font and color. Keep readability in mind here. Pick a size that's easy to see and a color that contrasts well with the background. If your message is longer, you can break it into lines, but keep it as a single text box so Canva can track it cleanly. Next, create the initial position for your scroll. Place the text where you want it to begin. For example, a line toward the far left of the frame. Leave a little padding from the edge so nothing gets cut off. This will be the starting point the animation follows. Now duplicate the page. Use the duplicate page option to make an identical second page. Duplicating ensures your fonts, colors, and layout stay consistent, which helps Match and Move recognize the same object between pages. On the second page, set the final position. Drag the same text box to where you want it to end. Like the far right side of the screen, think of it as defining point A on page 1 and point B on page 2. Canva will animate the travel from left to right. With those positions locked in, apply the motion. Click the transition icon that appears between the two pages and select Match and Move. This tells Canva to track the text and smoothly move it from its starting spot to the finishing spot. Finally, adjust the speed. Use the transition duration to control how fast the text scrolls. Shorter durations make it move faster. Longer ones slow it down. Preview the timing and fine-tune until it matches the energy of your video and the readability of the message. If the movement feels jumpy, make sure the text box is identical on both pages. Avoid resizing, changing fonts, or rotating between pages, because Match and Move relies on matching the same element. For long phrases, give the text enough travel distance so viewers have time to read without pausing. That's it. Thanks for watching.